subscribe and join the HOHO family!
Yay! My pretty little pins have arrived. I've ordered them online. Each one of them cost about $3.90 or something like that. So it's pretty nice. Quite liking the design. It'll look very nice when I pin it up. The pins trend is back. A lot of Korean idols, Korean actors, actresses, they have all also starting to use the pins. Oh, his friend is pooping. Yuki, give your friend some privacy. Give your friend some privacy. Your friend needs to poop.
Give a chance, please. Am I the prey?
Thank you. Yeah, okay, wanna keep by your eye. You wanna go out for lunch and you're so excited to see us? Aww. Why you scratch me also? Everyone, so I'm in an isolation ward right now, mainly because of the cough, even though I've already had 2 swabs and it's negative for COVID. So currently I'm just waiting for the doctor to see me. I got admitted for a PR bleed again. It's quite a bummer because I thought that I was getting better and my blood test results was also pretty good. My hemoglobin was very good, in fact it was exceptional. So I'm pretty upset that back to square one, I feel. And I'm in another hospital right now, so I hope that this time I'm able to get the answers that I need and then I'll get better. I've been wearing the surgical mask and somehow it always irritates my face, that's why it's pretty red. Been wearing for quite some time, so it's pretty annoying. So I'm currently just resting in bed. The doctor came previously and she also doesn't think that I have the COVID-19, so I'm not sure why they are taking some time to de-isolate me because I came in for bleeding and I've not been able to go for any tests right now because I'm still stuck in the isolation area. So I'm just waiting and thankfully my bleeding has stopped as of 1+, so still feeling a bit crampy in my bowels, but in general I think might be a good thing or bad thing that the bleeding stopped, because I was hoping that the doctors here can find out what's happening with me. Look Look at how red my cheeks are. I think it's because of the mask. I really think I'm allergic to the mask because after I wear them, I tend to get really red cheeks. Requested for something light because I haven't been able to stomach food because of the cramps. So I'm having porridge, fish, this is brinjal and soup. Fruits too. Fruits is a must. Cup of Milo and some porridge for breakfast. Hi everyone, it's day 2 in the hospital and good news is that I'll be able to get de-isolated today. So they've already booked the bed, but unfortunately because of COVID situation, so most all the private rooms have already been converted to use for isolation rooms, just like this one. So what happens is that I can only share a room with other patients. So I'm currently just waiting for a bed availability. The nurse has already booked the bed and we're just waiting for me to get transferred. So some updates, I'm still vomiting from the abdominal cramps, although it's not as bad right now. So it comes and goes in terms of the acute pain. Hopefully it just goes. I'm just waiting to see the colorectal surgeon. He or she can only come after I'm cleared, so when I'm like de-isolated, so I'm just waiting. Check out the lovely gift that my company has sent me, so sweet of them. And yeah, I'm just gonna have lunch. Let's see what's lunch. So we have rice, we have vegetable here, and we also have, I think it's chicken. And also a banana. Lots of empty beds, so I've changed for the 3rd time. Guys, just got discharged, finally home. John came to pick me. I'm going to see Yuki.
Come and check you. Why you eat flowers? Tell me why you eat flowers.
I promise I bring you my baby.
Oh, you promised. I didn't promise, huh? I came back so late though. I keep you baru. No, this is weird. Hey, get up. Yeah?